Hey everyone, in today's video tutorial I'm going to have a look over a sensor that is LM75BIMM. To gain more knowledge about this sensor, let's sail through controleverything.com and please search here. So let's see what we got, and LM75BIMM is a temperature sensor as you can see on my screen, and these are some of its features. Today I will be interfacing this sensor with an Arduino Nano, and for that I require code. So go to resource tab, and here is our Arduino code sample as you can see. Now you can download it from here. You can also have this Arduino code from our GitHub repository, that is Control Everything Community. Now let's have a look over the hardware we require for this video, and let's proceed further. Let's have a look over the hardware connections we require for this project. First of all, we require an Arduino Nano, which you are able to see on my screen, and this is an I2C shield. This is very useful in making connections with other I2C devices and make them very easy. And this I2C shield is available on our website controleverything.com. So make the connection and gently put over the Arduino Nano over the I2C shield. Now we require our sensor, that is LM75BIMM, and a connecting cable. Make the connection among the cable and the sensor like this, and while making this connection, please make sure that the brown wire of the cable should be connected to the ground terminal of the sensor and similarly to the shield. Now this is a mini USB cable which is required to power up our Arduino Nano, and gently insert it over here. So this is how our connections are made, and let's proceed further with our code. For the interfacing section, let's have a look over the code first. So go to github.com and here search for Control Everything Community, which you are able to see on my screen. Click on it, and here is our required sensor, that is LM75BIMM, and this is our Arduino code. Let's have a look over the instruction first, which says that we have to download and install the Arduino software IDE on our locals, and this is the Arduino link which will help us through the procedure. Now get back to the code, and here is our Arduino code with .in extension as you can see. We have included wire.h library in the code first, and the address of our sensor is 0x49. In the void setup function, we have initialized serial communication with the baud rate equal to 9600. In the writing part, we have selected configuration register having address 0x01, and we have sent the command for continuous operation normal mode, that is 0x00, and this is the write part for that. Now in the void loop function, we have selected the data for the temperature from register 0x00, and we have requested and read 2 bytes of data as you can see. Coming to the conversion part, we have our conversion formulas which is according to the data sheet of LM75BIMM, and at the bottom of our code we have our output data on the monitor, which is in temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. So this is how our code is. Now let's see how it works with our sensor. For the working part, first of all copy this entire Arduino code of the sensor and open up the Arduino. Now paste the code and save it and name the file. Now compile the code and now upload the code. As you can see, uploading is in process. Uploading is done, and now check with the serial monitor for the output, and we have our temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. When I'm pressing my finger over the sensor, there is an increase in temperature as you can see, and again pressing, the temperature changes for Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. So this is how our code works. Now let's proceed further. We have just gone through the working of the sensor LM75BIMM. This sensor is an industry standard digital temperature with an integrated sigma delta analog to digital converter and I2C interface. The wide temperature and supply range and I2C interface make it ideal for a number of applications like industry base stations, electronic test equipments, office electronics, personal computers, and many more. This sensor is available on our website controleverything.com, and the code Arduino code is available on the same site. You can also have this code from our GitHub repository, that is Control Everything Community. In case of any further queries, you can reach us on controleverything.com and be sure to post your comments on our community page. For more articles and blogs, you can contact us on hexter.io and also on instructables.com. For tutorials and videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. In the end, you have a good day and thanks for watching.